This question is from GATE 2018, Mechanical Engineering paper, Set 1, question number 43. A solid block of 2 kg mass slides steadily at a velocity v along a vertical wall as shown in the figure. A thin oil film of thickness h equal to 0.15 millimeters provides lubrication between the block and the wall. The surface area of the face of block in contact with the oil film is 0.04 meter square. The velocity distribution within the oil film gap is linear as shown in the figure. Take dynamic viscosity of oil as 7 into 10 to the power minus 3 Pascal seconds and acceleration due to gravity as 10 meter per second square. Neglect weight of the oil. Terminal velocity v in meter per second of the block is dash. Let's start by writing the given information. So we have mass of the block is given as 2 kg. Area in contact, area of the block that is in contact with the oil film is 0.04 meter square. Thickness of the oil film H is 0.15 and dynamic viscosity of oil is 7 into 10 to the power minus 3 Pascal seconds. Also, acceleration due to gravity is 10 meter per second square. So it is given that velocity profile, distribution of velocity in the oil film is linear. That is, by Newton's law of viscosity, we can take wall shear stress tau is equal to dynamic viscosity mu into du by dy. This du by dy can be taken as u by h. Now, in this system, at this particular instant, the forces that are acting here are weight of the block that acts downwards given by mg and the contact force at the face of the block which is in contact with the oil film, which will be given by the shear stress into the area. That is, we can calculate tau at this interface, let that be tau I into the contact area, that is capital A. Now we can write summation of forces in y direction is 0 by static equilibrium. Hence, we have upward force tau I into A minus downward force is the weight which is mg is equal to 0. Hence, we have tau I into A is equal to mg. The unknown value is velocity. Let's substitute from here mu into at the face velocity of the block will be the velocity of the upper layer of oil. Hence, we can write v by h into A is equal to mg. Rearranging for finding v, we have mg into h divided by mu into A. Substituting all the given values, mass is 2 kgs, acceleration due to gravity is 10 meter per second square. Thickness of the film is 0.15 So let's convert it to meter. We have 0.15 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by mu is given in Pascal seconds, 7 into 10 to the power minus 3 Pascal seconds, and Pascal is equivalent to Newton per meter square. Hence, we don't need to convert the unit of mu into area is also in meter square. So let's put it as it is 0.04, which is equal to 20 into 0.15 divided by 7 into 0.04. You can put this in the digital calculator and it calculates to velocity as 10.714 meter per second. Let's fill in the answer in 2 decimal places. So we have terminal velocity v of the block is 10.71 in the unit meter per second. To learn the concept of viscosity in detail, you can refer to the NPTEL video, Module 1, Lecture 4, Viscosity. It is from the course Introduction to Fluid Mechanics and Fluid Engineering by Professor Suman Chakraborty. He is from Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Kharagpur. I hope this solution will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.